Hi love, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be telling you how I made this soup. Actually, when I was making this soup, I never had the intention of posting it. That was why I didn't get the cooking process. But after making this soup, it came out so sweet and delicious. I say no, even though I didn't post video while the process of making the soup, let me show you the soup and tell you how I made the soup and how much I used in making the soup. Yeah, so this soup was prepared with just 1,200 naira. These are the things I got ugu, the vegetable, for 400 naira. I got the stockfish I used for 500 naira, then pomo for 300 naira. So I already have palm oil, crayfish, seasoning, salt and pepper at home, so I don't need to get that one. The suya meat, that's the meat you are seeing on top, wasn't prepared together with the soup. I got the suya separately. Yeah, so I just washed the pomo and stockfish into the pot, then steamed it with salt and a cube of seasoning. I covered and allowed it to cook, and after it became soft, I added the sliced ugu, allowed it to steam for a bit, just 3 minutes, and then added palm oil, crayfish, pepper. I didn't add another seasoning. I just used a cube of seasoning, salt, and then stirred, and the soup was ready. My dear, my intention, I never had the intention of posting it, but after testing this soup, it came out so sweet and delicious. I said, no, let me tell you, you can actually make something with your 1,200 naira, or even probably because I have crayfish and so a few ingredients, but let's just say 1,500, you can actually make something good for yourself. So that's why I posted it. It came out so sweet, so delicious, and as you can see, looking very healthy. Very healthy and delicious. Honestly, like I said earlier, I never had intention of posting this video, but after testing this soup, my god, it was so delicious. I said, no, let me tell somebody that you can actually make something good out of that small money. Yeah, so if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, please do well and subscribe, like, comment and share. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. My new and old subscribers, thank you. I really do appreciate. Thank you for deeming it fit to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for liking, commenting. Thank you for sharing. I love you all. So you see, with your small money, with your chicken money, you can actually make something good. You can actually make a very delicious, healthy and sweet soup. When I was making this soup, I was like, what am I videoing now? Who knows how it's gonna come out? And my surprise, it came out so nice and delicious. Honestly, that was why I said, no, I'm gonna post this, so at least to encourage one or two person that, yeah, you can actually make out something good from that your small money. Yeah, because when I came back from work, I was craving for vegetable soup, but never had the strength to go to market, so I had to just go to the shop very close to my house to pick one or two things. Unfortunately, the person doesn't have the complete ingredients for making vegetable soup, but I was really craving for vegetable soup, so I had to just make do with the ingredients I had. And to my greatest surprise, the taste there, oh my god, imagine me posting this. I had to say, no, let me tell someone you can actually make something good with that your small money. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Actually, on this video, we make video on cooking, food, family lifestyles, and a lot. Thank you so much. Love you all. See you guys in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe. Okay.